poison fruit game, poison candy game, but fruits. Yeah, fruits, strawberries and cherries.
Okay.
Wait, cinnamon. I'm gonna.
Okay. Don't look. Okay. Hala!
I
Did you see?
I didn't see. Okay.
Okay, it's your turn.
Wait. I'm gonna go with.
Agad?
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
You go first.
I'll go first.
Yeah.
This.
You're safe.
Oh!
No.
I
You're
thought
safe.
this
You're
talaga.
safe. You're safe. Ala, nag-interrupt yung ano. Water.
Oo nga.
Okay. Anyway. Sure it's not this.
Wait, let me just swallow.
1 minute agad.
Wait. Nakabahan ako? This one.
Safe.
Is this sweet?
Nice help.
It's kind of sweet.
Oh, I'm gonna go with this. I'm
You're
sure
safe.
it's not this.
This is just really fruit mukbang.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
Sweet, no?
Really sweet.
Wait. So it's my turn now?
Mm.
This one.
Safe. I'm
See,
sure
I
it's
told
not
you.
this.
Oh, you're dead.
What the heck?
So I keep guessing?
Mm-mm.
Wait, let me just finish it. That's agad! Ba't yung pinili mo?
I know.
Ilagay ko yung sa kilikili ko, char. Damn. This one.
Safe.
So we're not gonna eat anymore?
Should I keep?
No, because you're
Yeah.
dead.
Yeah, because that's gonna help you, diba?
Which... Is it cherry or strawberry? This.
Safe.
Ano ba yan? I'm gonna finish all of this.
Yeah.
Ang laki, girl!
Pero mukhang di sweet, diba? I mean, mukhang sour.
This.
Safe.
This is mine!
Yeah.
I'm proud. Kami si cherry.
What the heck? Ang random kasi ng pinik mo.
This.
Safe.
Ano ka? What do you mean ang random?
Nag-cheat ba siya, guys?
No.
Comment, chat.
What the hell?
Ba, nag-pick ba? Okay, good.
Sige, ito na lang.
Safe!
My God, you're just
Yeah,
giving me
alam ko,
fruit.
nakita mo talaga.
I didn't even. Mukhang may kami show.
Which one?
This one. Is that the poison?
I'm not gonna say till you get it.
Baka nakalimutan mo na.
No!
Dapat nagigay ka banana.
Ang ano, dapat talaga may blueberries.
This
pero
one.
Safe.
Brian! Ang sarap!
You can do. Siguro mga 4 lang nakain ko, no?
Sabi lang natin.
3 lang ba?
Ang random mo kasi.
No, ikaw kaya.
Ito.
Which one? Oh, safe. Safe.
Halika kaya dyan.
Baka ma-finish mo.
Asim nito!
Ayun nga, may salt.
This one.
Safe.
Ano ba, girl?
Okay, now it's just what? 5.
Five?
Yeah.
Para sa akin lang pala lahat eh.
Mm-hmm.
Baka to.
Same.
Maasim na. Wait lang
Ang
ah.
cute to my heart. You see that?
Nainggit na siya.
Actually.
Kasi kinuha agad yun.
Kasi...
Balik ka na dyan. Ang asim? This one.
Safe.
Ano ba?
Safe, friend.
Siguro yun nga.
No,
Hindi, alam ko na.
Which one?
This one.
Yeah!
Sabi niya eh.
How did you know?
This? Kanina pa ito nakatingin sa akin. Okay guys, I'm dead. I'm gonna give her 2.
Success.
I won.
Yeah. Next time, we're gonna have more fruits, maybe.
Part 3.
Yes.
Bye.